How to watch Paramount Plus outside USA. To watch Paramount Plus outside of USA, first of all, go ahead and open your Play Store or your App Store on your device because you have to have virtual private network or VPN to access the USA's server. So first of all, go ahead and tap on this search bar, then simply type in VPN. Once you type VPN, go ahead and select any of these top VPNs such as ExpressVPN or Norton VPN. Once installed, go ahead and open the VPN itself. Then sign in with your account and subscribe to their plans which has American server in it. Now once you enable VPN on your device, you simply have to head to the official site of the Paramount Plus or simply download the application itself from the Google Store or your App Store and then sign into your account and you should be able to enjoy it even if you are outside the USA. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.